Come on guys, you want to go in the house? I'll show you around. This is the Cape Cod that we just added the top floor and did a whole first floor renovation and open floor plan. So let's go in and take a look. All right, here we are. We got the doors in, windows. Everything's moving quickly. So let's go in there and we'll go take a look. All right, so as soon as you walk in the front door, you have a family room. Actually, the living room's over here, and everything's been opened up here, the whole half of the house. Remember that beam that we put in? That's a 35-foot flitch plate, steel beam combination LVL, going from one end of the house to the other. And that supports and allows us to open up this portion. And as you can see, we have, again, we marked our island, our kitchen island. We have our cabinetry going all the way across. It's almost 20 feet right over there. Everything's been pre-planned. If we turn around here, you can see. Now this little wall, this is going to be open to the basement. And we're changing the staircase. This is the original staircase. This is coming out shortly. We already ordered the new ones. It's going to be a full open staircase, open railings, and it's going to be an open look down into the finished basement, the future finished basement. So if you look around in here, we have the living room all open when you walk in the front door. And again, you have the kitchen, dining area, family room over here with the fireplace. And then over on the side door, which we relocated, you have double closet system, and then a half bath over here. That's right off of the side door. So as you look through here, you see a lot of work's been done. Let's go upstairs. All right, so we get to the top of the stairs. We have a laundry. You can see the washer dryer marked out. We have a hallway bathroom, linen closet. We have a sink. We have the toilet and the tub. Over here, there's a corner bedroom, full-size window, great-size closet, and the second bedroom over here is in the front corner over the family room. Same thing, nice size room, double windows, another full closet over there. And as we come into the hallway here, we have the master bedroom suite. That's this whole area, the whole half of the house, literally from the staircase over to the side wall. All this is master bedroom suite. You can see this beautiful ceiling sloped up to a tray with the 10-foot in the center. A lot of perimeter, which is a flat ceiling. So it's flat going up on a 45 up to the 10-foot flat portion. It's really nice look. We have an additional closet in here. We're gonna have a wall mount TV. It's all set up. Over here is another walk-in closet, nice size. And as we walk in here, we have an 8-foot vanity toilet and a great size shower. Look at that shower right there, that whole section, about 6 feet by almost 5 feet wide. And this place is really looking nice.